Welcome to the Section 6 video of the Bracket Assembly Femap tutorial, Running Analysis. In this video, the bracket assembly model will be analyzed and the results will be post-processed. Right-click on the Analyses item in the Model Info toolbox and select Manage. Click New. Make sure the analysis program is set to NX Nastran and the analysis type is set to Statics. There are multiple solution options that can be set from this dialog box. For this solution, we'll accept the defaults. Name the analysis set Total Bearing Load and click OK. Click Analyze. The analysis is finished when the date appears in the Messages box. You can troubleshoot the analysis by looking through the different log files to the left by clicking on their associated radio button. Now exit out of the Analysis Job Monitor. Now we're going to use the Post-Processing Toolbox to observe deformation. Use Tools, Post-Processing Toolbox to open the toolbox if it is not already open. Expand the Deform option and change the style to Deformed. Change the output vector to 1, Total Translation. Expand Scale under Options and set Scale to Actual Deformations. Set Scale Actual By to 100. Using actual deformations allows for a more consistent way to compare deformations visually. Expand the Contour menu and set the style to Contour. You can also click on the Post-Processing toolbar to toggle the contour or deformation on or off. Set the output vector to 1 Total Translation. This shows a contour plot of the total deformation of the model. Open the View Options dialog by pressing F6 on your keyboard. Show the thickness of the base bracket by changing the options of Element, Orientation, Shape. Set Element Shape to 3 Show Cross Section. This shows the actual thickness of the plate elements used in modeling the bracket. Turn off the mesh symbols by changing the options of Curve, Mesh Size, and uncheck Draw Entity. You can see the mesh size indicators are now hidden. Change the color of the filled edges under the category Tools and View Style. Set the color mode to 1, Use View Color, and enter a view color of 0, which is black. By changing the filled edges to one color, black, post-process images from the graphics window will now be higher quality and easier to understand. Click OK to exit the View Options dialog. In the Entity Display toolbar, toggle off the display of regions, connectors, constraints, and loads. For post-processing, it is best to show only elements so that the graphics window does not show more information than what is needed. Now save your file. Congratulations, this concludes the Section 6 video of the Bracket Assembly Femap tutorial, Running Analysis. You have successfully completed the tutorial and are now well on your way to becoming proficient in Siemens Femap.